I am downtown. I had to come down here and see the tallest building in OKC. I'm always with seeing the architect of the city, the artwork, the layout, and this is Crystal Bridges in the downtown area. It's pretty neat. Pretty neat. Like, real neat.
They have a carousel and everything down here. We're gonna come down here one night.
Oh yeah. It is neat, man.
That's why I didn't stay up in the.
This is the type of stuff that I like, though. I like venturing off and seeing nature and seeing how people put their artwork together. Checking out different artists and different people who have did certain constructions and especially the flowers and the layout. Wow, show is the cardinal.
It's a female.
Look, it's a card. I don't know if y'all can see this.
See her?
Let me see if I can zoom in. I don't know if I can zoom in on her.
She might kind of know.
Okay, y'all see her? There she go. There she go. Ha, that's pretty neat. We caught her.
I got a carousel. I love the carousel.
It's pretty neat down here, man. Let y'all check it out. For those who've never seen it, this is my first time, so we're actually sharing something together. Because I ain't never seen this. Never seen downtown OKC. But I must say, it's pretty neat. And I wonder what type of orange fishes is that. Somebody tell me. The goldfishes get that big? Is what I want to know. Because these fishes is orange or gold. Almost like a big bass or something. I don't know what it is. Maybe somebody know what it is. Maybe somebody know what it is.
I'm asking Google.
You gonna Google it?
What is the big orange fish that looks like a goldfish called?
It is different here. This is cool. I like how they got the arena set up. Is it?
So small. There are different types. I think it's called like a Chinese goldfish or like a Chinese goldfish type deal. You have to go that way. Yeah. But I think that's what they're called.
Oh, yeah. Well, I stand corrected.
Pretty smart.
Huh. You got me on that one. I didn't think a goldfish can get that big, y'all.
Charlie taught us
I'ma
about
keep it.
nature,
I'm gonna keep it honest with you.
trees,
I didn't think it goes.
You know what these are called?
What?
Honeysuckles.
Oh yeah, yeah. I know what them
The
is.
tips of it.
Real
It's a honey.
honeysuckers.
It's just it's a honeysuckle. These are probably a
I don't
Japanese
want one,
or
but
Chinese honeysuckle. Guaranteed you.
That's cool.
That's for the kids.
I want to see the orange goldfish that look like big bass. Look at that. This is neat. I know that's a catfish. Ooh, is that an albino catfish? I think that's an albino catfish. And they just walking around looking for something to eat. They like, man, somebody finna throw something. I think when they see people, they come close. Cause look, they getting closer around me. They think I'm about to throw something, I believe. But I'm just sightseeing, y'all. I'm passing through. I'm gonna go and get out y'all way. I might be upset and like, man, he's just passing time. This is neat, though. Learned a lot. when you go to new places. I like to adventure. What did you find out?
It's hard to see. There's gotta be a thing over here.
It probably was over there. I seen a little card thing somewhere. Maybe over there. I seen a card thing somewhere. I don't know. I seen a card thing somewhere. It's pretty neat though. What's going on now?
What's going on, man?
Oh, y'all got it. Check them out. They eating good over there. It's pretty neat. Oh, this is a good view of the building too from here. If you, it looks like literally if you look at it, it's moving. It'll kind of get you dizzy. Cause you can literally see it swaying. But that's how it's supposed to do, you know. And then maybe it's the clouds too to make it look like that too, cause it's so far. But it kind of like, whew, it's difficult. It's neat though. It's difficult to look at though. It sounds feel like you swaying side to side.
You know what kind of grass that is?
What kind of grass is that?
Prairie grass.
Who?
Prairie.
Prairie grass. Sure is, ain't it? From the prairies. Look at you. You think you know everything. It makes it different because it's sway. That's the grass that goes with the wind.
No, it's feather grass.
Oh, it's feather grass. See, look at her. She thought she knew something. Oh, correct. It's Mexican feather grass. Look at the turtles chilling.
Those are white.
Them snapping turtles.
See, I'm telling you, it's a goldfish.
It's some type of fish. I think that's a special type of fish. We're going to look that up though. Because I really want to know what type of fish that was. Well, you want to walk around that way? Are you?
We can go back and then go back that way. We can go back that way. That way takes us back to the car.
Oh, we go this way then. Well, just wanted to show y'all something different. Because it's different. But I like seeing stuff like that though. Especially when I go to a new city. I love seeing the downtown. Because that's where they throw the money at. That's where the money at. Whoever running downtown. So they always want to show out and show what they did to the place. I guess that'll take us this way, so I might as well go this way. We out this thing. HogOn.